How to show or hide home screen pages on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on the Edit button, and then we go down and tap on Edit Pages. Now in here, tap on the checkbox to select a home screen page. When it is selected, it will be shown, and if you want to hide it, simply deselect the checkbox. So here I will deselect the checkbox that has the settings icon in it, then tap on Done, and you can see that particular home screen page has been hidden or disabled. To bring it back on, just simply go back into Edit Pages and then tap on the checkbox. Make sure it has a tick, and then tap on Done, and then now you can see that home screen pages has come back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.